Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jay with After the Wear, and today we have an unboxing of something. Yeah. We all know what has a window. Off-White Jordan 1 UNCs. So, I was kind of bummed when I opened the package because the lid is a very important, or the shoe box is a very important part of the collaboration with Off-White, especially with the last two pairs of Air Jordan 1 Off-Whites, the European release, the white colorway, and also the UNC colorway. So I was kind of bummed when I opened the package only to see that the top lid was kind of damaged. So these were actually sent in for verification, and that's a part of their process, but there's nothing that we can do about the lid. So when you purchase from StockX, they come with stickers, which is, I guess, pretty cool. And along with that is a little card from, or a little letter from the CEO of StockX telling you pretty much all the benefits. You get your receipt. And the cool thing about the collaboration is that not only does it come in with a lid that opens up window to show the shoes, but the shoes are actually separated by plastic. And the one side of the plastic actually has the labeling Off-White for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, I guess C 1985. So that's pretty cool, something very unique. So pretty much that lettering on the medial side of the shoe is what's on the transparent plastic cover. So let's go ahead and take out the left side. And with every StockX purchase, what you'll see is that it comes with a verification tag, letting the consumer know that it's been verified and it's authentic. Along with the shoe, and this doesn't come with, this is not from StockX, but this hang tag right here is basically the made in China in like 3 different languages. This is, it comes with the shoe, so this is original right here. You also have your Off-White tag, or zip tag. In here it says Off-White, CEO of Nike, C 2018 zip tie. So, yeah, let's move on. So, Air Jordan 1 collaboration with Off-White, UNC. We pretty much have on the lateral side, on the bottom sole, towards the back half, in quotations, Air. And what you'll see is more of like the pieces that are patched on, almost that it almost gives you a manufactured look, which I think is very unique. And once you see all the other products, which I'm sure you guys have in the past, you'll see pretty much the same type of silhouette. So here on the lateral side, you'll have the Nike check or the swoosh sewn in, and you'll see the details in orange. And then moving on towards the back, there's this suede, kind of like an off-white heel print of Off-White by Nike. This is pretty much the Off-White staple when they have any type of lettering. And then moving on, the type of fabric that you'll see, and I'm not sure if you guys can actually, make this out, but it's almost like a mesh type material on the toe cap. And again, you have that detail where it looks like it's just being manufactured, unlike your regular Nikes where it's like all one. You also see the stitching. So the details here are pretty nice. Not only that, when you get to the tongue's a little bit different, because what I notice here is that you have some type of foam. Again, it has that unfinished look to it. And here, what's different with the tongue is that you can actually see there's a hole. So a little bit different than your regular tongue. Not only that, you'll have an unfinished look on the heel and also on the tongue. So very, very unique silhouette. I know it still has the true form of the Air Jordan 1s. Also, behind this flap, you'll have 85 in quotations, and it's on both sides. So let's go ahead and take a look at the right side. Right side is pretty much the same, and what we have here is the right shoe. And not to prolong anything, it does come in it comes with three different types of shoelaces. We have the orange ones, you have your UNC colored ones, and then lastly, I believe I took them out. Here it is. It comes with white laces. And some of the details on the laces, and just to let you guys know, it is shoelaces. So everything's pretty much labeled for you guys, just in case you get lost or whatnot, or you don't know what it is. So just as you see on the left shoe, you also have the same thing on the right shoe, where you have 85 on the inside. You have that hang tag, made in China, and pretty much the text. So, no, what shoelaces would you rock with these? I'm feeling the orange ones because of the stitching, but not opposed to trying other laces on here. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is the UNC off-white Air Jordan 1s, and yeah, hopefully I can get the white European release so I can do a review on them. So yeah, all right guys, this is Jay. I'm out. Thank you for watching After the Wear.